Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best metal lathes for DIY and professional use. So let's check it out.
Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5.
Mini Metal Lathe DIY Milling Machine, Compact Woodworking and Metal Tool. This mini metal lathe is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and small-scale projects. Operating on 100-240V, it handles woodworking, metal, and aluminum with precision. Compact and versatile, it's ideal for hobbyists seeking to work on intricate designs and small parts. The advantages of this mini lathe are: compact design suitable for small workshops. Handles various materials including wood, metal, and aluminum. The disadvantages of this mini lathe are: limited power for large-scale projects.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4.
Big Power DIY Mini Metal Rotating Lathe, High-Speed Multifunction Tool. This high-power mini metal lathe comes with a 20W motor delivering 20,000 RPM, making it ideal for precision crafting and small-scale metalwork. Its multifunctional capability allows it to handle a variety of tasks, making it a versatile choice for DIYers. The advantages of this mini lathe are: high-speed motor for precision cutting. Multifunctional, handling diverse tasks. The disadvantages of this mini lathe are: low power limits heavy-duty applications.
At number 3.
NUMOBAMS NU210E 900W Mini Metal Lathe, Powerful Threading and Turning Machine. The NUMOBAMS NU210E Mini Lathe is designed for threading, making, and metal turning with a robust 900W motor. It's well suited for intricate projects and professional-level precision in both DIY and small industrial settings. The advantages of this mini lathe are: high power for detailed threading and turning. Precision control for accurate work. The disadvantages of this mini lathe are: bulky for a mini lathe.
Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2.
WM210V Metal Lathe, Versatile Metal and Wood Turning Machine. The WM210V offers both metric and inch threading with an 1100W brushless motor, perfect for turning wood and metal. Its dual functionality, combined with a brushless motor, makes it highly efficient and reliable for continuous use. The advantages of this metal lathe are: dual threading system for versatile use. Brushless motor ensures longer machine life. The disadvantages of this metal lathe are: larger footprint, requiring more workspace.
At number 1.
Mini High Precision DIY Benchtop Metal Lathe, Variable Speed Milling Tool. This benchtop mini lathe is designed for precision work with variable speed control, making it a reliable tool for both hobbyists and small-scale professionals. It's perfect for milling and turning tasks requiring fine details and smooth finishes. The advantages of this mini lathe are: high precision for intricate tasks. Variable speed control for versatile applications. The disadvantages of this mini lathe are: limited capacity for larger materials.